Hey guys, Jack Gleason here with MajorLeagueTrading.com coming at you with an educational video on a trade setup I had taken today in the Russell. I actually took two, one much bigger than the other. You can see my profit here is about 910 bucks on this one contract. I got a $60 profit on this one, but I have 20 contracts that I average price of $48. So my profit upon expiration above 1385 here is actually going to be just over $1,000 if we get above 1385 by close, which to me is most likely going to happen. We're currently trading near 1393, but let's take a look and let me show you the trading setup I was looking at and what made me get in this trade. Once again, the strike I'm looking at here is the 1385 415, so end of the day. I took this trade much earlier in the day, so if you look here, I want to talk about a setup. So we have what I call the Nadex code. So one of the trade setups I teach in my Nadex course is called a leg start, which is really just looking at major swing lows and swing highs and then buying the retests of them. So yesterday we had this swing low here. You see this blue dot? This is called the MLT swing marks. This is straight out of our custom codes that we offer. It's an indicator package that we have at Major League Trading, but it helps me decide trading setups that I want to take. So generally speaking, this market has consistently made higher highs and higher lows. So my overall bias has been bullish. And what I did is I took the swing low of yesterday and I said, hey, if we get down there again, I am going to buy that next strike above. So that swing mark that where that blue dot is was 1383.3. So what I did is when that first traded, I pulled up my Nadex account and decided to buy, heavily into whatever the next contract was above. So it was like a 1385, which I got in for 48 bucks. Now, right before the market opened, let me show you guys what we were looking at. We were coming down into, we were actually below that level. And when we got below that level is when I started buying. I just figured that, we would bounce and go higher. Now, we ended up rolling, lower. You probably could have picked up the contracts for a little cheaper than when I got them. But the thing is, guys, you're never going to nail the low of the market. And if you're always trying to pick the low of the market, it's just not a winning strategy. Instead, focus on the major support levels. So this right here is straight out of the Nadex course, which you can find more information in the link below. We teach this setup. This is one of the most consistent setups I like to see in a bull trending market. Is anytime you get a major bounce off a swing low upon the retest of that low, I look to go long. So $1,000 on this trade. I risked about 900 or not, just under $1,000, but I'm going to make just over $1,000 in a single day on this trade. But these are the types of setups I absolutely love to take. They're in the direction of the overall trend at major supports. I have my indicators lining up telling me where to buy, and then if I actually go down a smaller time frame, what I like to do is I'll go to like a 1600 tick chart, and I like to confirm after we get below these levels. What you can see is this is a leg start here, and then we move higher. Now there was another entry ahead. You can see I have a 1389, but much smaller. So let me go back. You see this contract 1389, so I'm looking for a move above 1389. Now I only have two contracts and I paid about 53 bucks, so I'm gonna make just under $100 on this trade. But let me show you that trade setup that I took there. Once again, I'm using my Nadex codes that I have provided for our Nadex indicator package. I'm taking the swing low and drawing it to the high. You can see that gives me a 1389, 50% halfway back. Now that's also a trade setup taught in our Nadex course. There's 6 different trade setups. I'm going over 2 of them, both of which are going to lead to profits on this day, but this is a halfway back. As soon as we get in that support level, what I like to do is buy the closest strike to that and then look for a continuation higher, which is exactly what we're getting. So all in all, I'm gonna end up, it's Friday, I'm gonna end up just over $1,000 up on the day for these trades. So good day for me. I hope this video helps you guys. If you're interested in learning more about our course and what we offer, it's an awesome course. I'll put all the details below, and I look forward to seeing you guys inside my trade room. Everyone, take care and enjoy your day.